Game Changer series, introducing you to the next generation of women making a difference in the world. This morning, the 23-year-old on a mission to save lives and the medical device she created. This is 23-year-old Hannah Herbst. When she's not training for marathons, she's trying to save lives.
It's important to be a game changer because we can equip people to solve big problems.
Tighten strap above bleeding, then press inflate.
She created this FDA-registered medical device.
Accessibility to tourniquets is a huge problem for minimally trained people. So we thought, how can we solve this problem with a really simple solution?
And that's when her medical team helped her develop AutoTQ, an automated version of a tourniquet, a device used to stop the flow of blood from a severely bleeding extremity. Hannah first thought of the idea in 2018 after learning that a top cause of preventable death after trauma is uncontrolled bleeding.
Traumatic situations are inherently very stressful for everyone involved. So the idea is, how can we make a tourniquet that operates with just one button push?
And that's just how it works. The device is operated by pushing this button. While it inflates, verbal prompts walk you through next steps in caring for the injured.
Get medical help immediately.
And while it's made for anyone to use, some medical professionals like SWAT medic Lieutenant Sarah Franklin and orthopedic surgeon Dr. Asan Ismaili, who serve as advisors to AutoTQ, are also recognizing the device's potential.
When you apply a tourniquet, if you don't practice it with a regular basis, it's a skill set that people lose. And so to have something that an average person can apply with minimal to no training at all is a huge answer to saving trauma victims.
As a hand and upper extremity surgeon, I use this device every day in my practice. Our limitation with surgery is bleeding, and Hannah's device has certainly put a stop to that.
And with over 2,000 years in use, the tourniquet continues to be a crucial life-saving tool.
I hope to see AutoTQ in a variety of settings. Anywhere you see a first aid kit or a defibrillator, I think AutoTQ should be there right next to it.
Hannah is a game changer because she is giving us a device that everyone can use, and it will save lives.
With this device, particularly with time, she could revolutionize in-office procedures.
Stay informed and stay safe.
And you guys, this device is being integrated on all the Gainesville, Florida emergency vehicles in the next few weeks, and Hannah hopes that can be integrated into all emergency vehicles around the country in the future. But what an amazing, finding an issue and coming up with a solution, and not only just a tourniquet, but also instructs you and talks you through the next step, because a lot of people may freeze up if they don't get instructions. So just brilliant all the way through, and great job by Hannah.